10 fastest way to open the task manager. Subscribe. Number 1, click Ctrl Shift Escape at the same time and it will open the task manager. Number 2, right click on your taskbar and click on the task manager. This is how we usually open the task manager. Number 3, press Windows X and it will open this box and click on the task manager. It will also open the task manager. Number 4, press Windows and start typing task manager and hit enter and it will also open the task manager. Number 5, press Windows R and it will open the run box and type taskmgr, hit enter. Task manager opened. Number 6, click on the Windows button and type cmd. Here if you are on cmd, type taskmgr and it will also open the task manager. Number 7, go to your file explorer and write taskmgr here and hit enter. Task manager will be opened. Number 8, pin your task manager to your taskbar and you can open it from any time or pin it to the start menu. Number 9, press Ctrl to delete and you will see this black screen. Don't be afraid and click on the task manager. It will also open the task manager. Number 10, go to file explorer and go to this path, address, and here right click and click on the create shortcut and click yes. It will create the shortcut on desktop. And click on it. It will also open the task manager.